everyone, welcome back to another Animal Jam video, and today we're going to be doing a mail time. I have 16 gifts lined up and we're going to go from the bottom to the top. So the first gift is a fox hat. I need a fox hat. I needed a fox hat. Oh my gosh, for your mail time. I need more Denvators. Thank you so much to CXZZXC and Flowerstar1. Now let's go to Sparky's. Ooh, feathered mask. I actually need more clothing betas. Ducky, pirate sword. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. Oh geez, wow. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much, Unaltered. Wow, that means, oh my gosh. Thank you so much, Gracie41523. Oh, thank you so much, Caro. Oh my goodness. A spam from Dig2345. Oh my goodness. Yes, I need a Royal Tiara. Thank you so much. Wow. You sent me a lot of gifts. And I know Fuzzy's was going to send me something good. Oh, thank you. Oh, yes, I love chocolate. I love the special plushies. I know Fuzzy's. Oh, Reynolds, thank you so much. Oh my gosh. Oh, thank you so much, everyone. Wow, that is, wow. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness. Wow, that is a lot of stuff. Thank you so much, guys. We got 3 spikes this mail time, so I will be giving one away. It's probably going to be one of the short risks because I'm kind of trying to save up, but that is absolutely fine. So thank you so much, guys. I will be sending them stuff back. Definitely Unaltered, because she gave me some spikes, and that's wow. So let's reply to Unaltered. But thank you so much, guys, if you gifted. My computer's being slow, that's fine. We'll give her, we'll give her a flower crown. Wow, thank you so much. Wow, that is incredible. Thanks so much if you gift. My jamograms are going to be unlocked. And if you do want to send anything while I'm on the live stream now, then that is, thank you so much if you do. So I'm going to pause the recording when I get another gift or when I end it. As I have said previously, I am going to get a new mic soon. So I hope you'll enjoy this video. Here's just a few Forgotten Desert prizes that I got after this video was made.
She's warming to me. Do you mind if I sit in that chair?
Yes!
Right.
Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.